Hello, good morning, students. This is Sumit Kishore from Jharkhand University Mining Department. Today is the first class of environmental aspect of mining. In this class, we will be discussing about the basic things of the environment which is affected by the mining activity. That's why it is called environmental aspects of mining. Means the mining operation which we are performing on this environment and that have some effect on the environment. That particular effect we have to study. Along with that, we have to study the sustainable development, which is one of the most important topic of this global era. So first we discuss about the environment. See, in this it is written about the environment. What do you mean by environment? Environment generally comprise of all living and non-living things. Means anything which is available on the earth's surface. It may be living or it may be non-living thing. For example, living thing such as animal, fish, ourselves. These all are living things. These all are called biotic element. Biotic means that have life, and all non-living things means uh, that all those things which do not have any life. For example, school, building, pen, pencil, rubber, cutter. These all are those type of things which are not of having any life. Those are called abiotic. You can see here there is an option. See, abiotic element means those element which do not have any life. All are non-living thing. For example, air, water, sand, even rock, sun, everything. These all are non-living thing. These are abiotic element. So there are two elements, biotic and abiotic. Both biotic and abiotic combinedly form an environment. Okay, so now we have to study the significance of environment. You see, what are the main significance? See, the first point, actually four significance are there, basic four significance. First one is the environment provide various resources to man, both renewable and renewable. The most important thing, everything which we are getting are coming from the environment. The first one is resources. Any resources. If you are getting a gold, then it is available from the environment. If you are getting any fish, it is available from the environment. If you are getting any tree, then it is. So these resources may be renewable or maybe non-renewable sources. What is renewable? Which can be again and again renewed. For example, tree. If once the tree dies, you can again grow it. ठीक है. If any fish die, then you can grow it. But some are the non-renewable source which once get exhausted, it will not be renewed again. For example, coal. If the coal will be exhausted, we will not be able to get it again. Then these type of resources are called non-renewable resources. The next significance, see, the environment is also absorber of harmful waste and bioproduct. Means all the gases, waste gases, harmful gases which are emitted from any industry or that are absorbed by the environment, means they are absorbed by the air, the atmospheric air, all the types of harmful gases. Next one, environment also sustain life by providing biodiversity. Means this environment provide us oxygen. There is a biodiversity for living, so that we are able to live on this environment. And fourth point is that environment from aesthetic point of view, means it also provide a good landscape, good scenery. If you visit any place, if you go to the Kashmir, this beautiful scenery is because of this environment. So basically environment has four significance. First one, it provided resource. Second one, it absorb all harmful waste and byproducts. It provide life and biodiversity, and along with that it provides scenery and landscape for us. Now we have to discuss the environmental problem. These are the basic. These are not from, we are not relating this with the mining. The main problem which are with the environment, we will basically discuss the main points. Actually there are lots of problems. First is pollution. Next one is land degradation, water pollution, noise pollution, air pollution, exhausting of non-renewable sources. These are the basic problems. The first problem is pollution. Do you know any undesirable change in the natural resource is called pollution? Means if the air, you know the composition of the simple normal air, if any undesirable change is there in the atmospheric air, then what will happen? It is called polluted air. So this is called pollution. The pollution may be air pollution. If any type of pollution is there in the atmospheric air, if there is any pollution in the water body, then it is called water pollution. If there is any disturbance in the noise, in the surrounding noise, then it is called noise pollution. Degradation may be of soil degradation, it may be of habitat degradation. So we have to discuss about these things one by one. In short we will discuss about these things. First one we discussed about air pollution. What is air pollution? Air pollution is simply any type of unwanted, undesirable chemical gases which combine with the natural air or mix with the atmosphere, which will discomfort human and harm living organism. This is called air pollution. Means any type of unrequired, undesirable chemical gases which combines to the natural air or the atmosphere. This is called air pollution. It will harm our human being, living organism. What are the effect? And due to the air pollution, the major effect is human body have breathing problem, breathing, coughing, wheezing. We have cardiac arrest, even we have heart problem. So these are the basic effect. What are the sources of air pollution? The basic sources are from power plant, factories. They can exhaust the smoke, exhaust from the vehicles, car, bikes, plane. Chemicals from the fertilizer which are open in the atmosphere, fumes from the paint, air, hair spray. These are the main sources of air pollution. Now we should move to the water pollution. What is water pollution? See, this is basically contamination of water body. Means mixing of water body with pollutant element or any undesirable element. This is called water pollution. The major sources, what are the major sources of water pollution? The sewage, means the sewage sewage of the city, town, that is dumped in the water body, that is discharged in the water body. The chemicals are discharged in the water body, waste material are discharged in the water body. These are the sources. What it affect? It will lead to the damage of the water composition and lead to diarrhea, typhoid, and many more diseases. Now we should discuss about the noise pollution. See, what is noise pollution? Excessive or unpleasant noise in any environment which affect the human body is called noise pollution. Means any louder sound is called noise pollution. Effect, it will affect our ear, it will also affect the psychological health. So these are the basic noise pollution. Many sources are there: traffic, any air conditioner, refrigerator, television. These are the degradation. In the next class, we will discuss about degradation and sustainable development. Any type of doubt in this question, you should ask in discussion forum. Thank you, students.